广东话. Think about this. People like you not because of your achievement or how competitive you are, but because you are you. Simple and harmless. You always make people feel safe. That's why they can hug you. That's why they like being around you. But us, the savage dolls, we can't do the same. Because we are always calculating, thinking of how to improve ourselves, thinking what we can do more for ourselves. See, we're so selfish. Therefore, I need a platform, a YouTube channel to display my beauty, the only assets I have. Unlike you can sit comfortably in your comfort zone. I'm so ruined, and the world is evil, and I am one of them. Instead of praising you, my existence constantly reminds you how imperfect you are. People don't always like us because our eyes are on the prize and not on them. Your friends are going to the bar? Great, you should go with them. Don't be like us. We are here at home studying like a nerd. What do people like us study? Language and psychology. They will go to Be Cantonese and look for videos that talk about Cantonese words and the power underneath. Very boring. If you're still watching, then you must really want to learn Cantonese from me. You have something that a lot of people don't have. 勇氣. 勇氣. If I wear this makeup and go on the streets, people are gonna look at me and say, you're so ugly. And in fact, if I just stay at home making a lot of no-face account, I will be the one who comments on other content creators, you are so goddamn ugly, right? It takes courage to do something different, to be yourself. The adjective will be 勇敢. 勇敢. 你好勇敢啊. You're very courageous. Do the things that you always want to do with all the noise around. Do it when people call you strange and weird, but don't do it only because of it. Otherwise, you're just chasing a standard that people write for you. By the time you succeed, you will have already survived a lot of 耳邊風. 耳邊風. 當佢講嘅嘢係耳邊風啦. 當佢講嘅嘢係耳邊風啦. That means you don't even give a shit what other people say. They're just like, win. If someone gives a piece of advice, I will always ask, do I want to live like them? If not, then move on. That's not ignorance. That's being selective. And by being selective, I don't mean you have to cancel all the opinion, because some must be useful. Your peace can't only come from supportive comments, because otherwise, you're just being controlling. And what happens if you become super controlling? How do we say, I want to win in Cantonese? 我要贏. 我要贏. A winner cares about winning despite the environment, not because of the environment. Someone did this to me and I want to fight back. You are reacting and you are losing. If you want revenge, do it at your own cost. And don't think that it is the end goal of your life. And it will be the end of your life if you end up in jail just to get back at someone. So look, revenge isn't the only answer to your happiness. Blocking a person in an unhappy relationship isn't the worst thing you can do. The worst is use blocking as a threat. You're telling them, you're gonna lose me forever. You see why we are savage dolls and not victims? Because we can handle a no. We know when to use a no, but we won't get offended by a no. Some internet teachers are telling you, honey, if someone say no to you, that's because they're jealous of you. I say no to you because I want a clear boundary and I want to make sure you know that I don't need you. It has nothing to do with jealousy. 妒忌. 妒忌. Or some people will say 妒忌. Same thing. Not everyone can be a savage doll. And this course is not just for girls, but for everyone who wants to gain charisma and improve their speaking skills, people skills. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you next time.